Rising above the heart of Kitakyushu, Kokura Castle stands as one of Kyushu's most important samurai fortresses. Surrounded by moats, stone walls, and modern city streets, the castle preserves the legacy of feudal Japan in one of the country's major industrial regions. The castle was constructed in the early 17th century by the powerful daimyo Hosokawa Tadaoki, a renowned samurai and ally of Tokugawa Ieyasu. Designed as the administrative and military center of the Kokura domain, the fortress controlled strategic routes through northern Kyushu. Unlike many Japanese castles with outward-sloping upper floors, Kokura Castle became famous for its unique kara-zukuri style keep, where the upper stories appear larger than the lower ones. This distinctive design gave the castle an imposing appearance while reflecting the architectural innovations of the early Edo period. The castle later passed to the Ogasawara clan, who governed the region for generations under the Tokugawa shogunate. Around the fortress grew a thriving castle town that became an important commercial and political center in northern Japan. During the turmoil surrounding the Meiji Restoration in 1866, much of Kokura Castle was destroyed by fire during fighting linked to the Second Choshu expedition. Although the original keep was lost, reconstruction efforts in the 20th century restored the castle as a symbol of the city's historical identity. Today, Kokura Castle stands proudly at the center of Kitakyushu as a museum and cultural landmark. Surrounded by cherry blossoms in spring and reflected in its surrounding moats, the castle continues to connect modern Japan with the samurai traditions that once shaped northern Kyushu.